Hey, in this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. It might be a little bit hard to do at first, but it's actually easy, and I'll show you how to do it if you watch this video all the way until the end. The trick here is that you can just click on discover, search for the person's name, because you've already blocked him. You won't see him when you search for him right here. So what you want to do here is do a few things that work the same way on iPhone and on Android device. I have a video like this, but I've updated this video to work for 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out a lot, gets us a few more views, which is really helpful. And also subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,100 subscribers, which is really good, but our goal is to hit 100K. And also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. And comment down which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. So what you want to do is just head over to TikTok, click on the Me button, which is basically at the bottom right corner. From there, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner, navigate to the second option under Privacy, click on Privacy. And here you want to go all the way down where it says comment filters. Right below it, it says block accounts. Click on block accounts. And here you have a few options. I currently have no block accounts, but if there's someone here, all you gotta do is unblock him from the list. It's very simple, as I promised. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, hit the like button. And also, we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this. So comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever, or if you want to see another topic being covered or a question being answered. I want to see you in one of the next videos.